Hello, today I'm going to make vegan hot cocoa. All you need is 100% unsweetened cocoa, cane sugar, and coconut milk powder. We will start with 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Next, you use 3/4 of coconut milk powder. And if you can't find coconut milk powder in the store, find it on Amazon. We found it on Amazon. Lastly, we are going to use 1 cup of sugar. Then you have your ingredients. Whisk the ingredients together until they are fully incorporated. Whisk until you get all the lumps out. Now you have to scoop this into your storage container. And if you use a decorative jar, you could use it as a gift for your vegan friends or a holiday gift. That's it. Now you have your instant vegan hot cocoa. Just add some hot water. Put 3 big tablespoons into your cup. 1, 2, 3. You can use this hot cocoa for a rainy day or a wintry and snowy winter. Thank you, and remember to wash your hands. Bye!